Hello, manufacturing enthusiasts. Let's shine a spotlight on a cornerstone of excellence, that is quality control. Quality control is more than just a process. It's a commitment to delivering products that meet or exceed customer expectations. It safeguards brand reputation, fosters customer loyalty, and drives sustainable growth. In essence, quality isn't an act, it's a habit. Now, enter LeanSixSigma, which is a powerhouse methodology that amplifies the impact of quality control. By emphasizing data-driven decision-making, continuous improvement, and customer centricity, LeanSixSigma elevates quality from a standard to a competitive advantage. It aligns processes, empowers teams, and ensures that quality is ingrained in every facet of the manufacturing journey. So, why settle for mediocrity when you can strive for mastery? Embrace quality control, leverage Lean Six Sigma, and let's elevate manufacturing to unparalleled heights of excellence, reliability, and customer satisfaction.